19 DIY home remedies for acne scars using honey. Acne is a common problem today and many of us don't even know the reason behind its occurrence. When dirt, dead skin cells, and other toxins clog pores, oil gets trapped beneath the skin, resulting in bacterial infections that cause acne breakouts. Hormonal imbalances, poor skincare routine, unhealthy diet, and other factors cause acne.Unfortunately, breakouts leave scars which are even harder to remove. You don't have to waste money on expensive creams filled with chemicals that cause unwanted side effects. There are a variety of natural, affordable and effective home remedies available to reduce the appearance of acne scars. And honey for pimple marks is the most effective ingredient used in such remedies. Is honey good for acne scars? Honey contains natural antibiotics that protect against bacteria that cause acne. Honey helps heal damaged skin cells. Interactions between the sugar in honey and the secretions from a healing breakout trigger the production of hydrogen peroxide, which kills the bacteria that cause acne and naturally bleaches away scars. Because it is naturally antiseptic, honey minimizes the severity of a breakout, so that it leaves behind less of a scar. As a natural moisturizer, honey keeps skin healthy, soft, and smooth. Honey soothes and helps heal, reducing inflammation that leads to more severe acne scars. The antioxidants in honey help repair damaged skin. Honey contains many vitamins and minerals skin needs to heal and remain clear. How to use honey for acne scars? Honey can be used alone and in combination with other natural ingredients that heal damaged skin cells and fade scars. Processed honey does not contain all the nutrients present in raw honey, so for best results, always use raw, organic honey to remove acne scars. Are you wondering how to get rid of acne scars with honey? Try all the methods below until you find the one that works best for you. 1. Raw honey mask for acne scars. Wash your face and pat dry. Apply a thin layer of raw, organic honey to your entire face. Leave on 10 minutes. Massage skin with wet fingers, using circular motions. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. For best results, leave honey on overnight. 2. Honey and lemon mask for acne scars. Lemon is also antibacterial, and it is a natural bleaching agent that fades acne scars. Mix equal quantities of honey and fresh lemon juice. Wash face with mild face wash and pat dry. Apply mixture to skin and leave on 15 minutes. Spritz skin with lukewarm water and massage gently, using circular motions. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat daily. 3. Honey and cinnamon. Mix equal quantities ground cinnamon and raw honey. Apply to skin and leave on 5 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat daily. 4. Honey and turmeric. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and it soothes skin to reduce inflammation. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply to skin and leave on 15 minutes. Massage skin with wet fingers for 3 minutes to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat daily. 5. Honey and nutmeg. Nutmeg reduces inflammation, swelling, and redness. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon each of nutmeg and cinnamon. Apply to skin and leave on 15 minutes. Rinse with water and pat dry. Repeat daily. 6. Honey and brown sugar. Brown sugar exfoliates to remove toxins from pores. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Apply to skin and leave on until dry. Now massage gently in circular motions with wet fingers. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat daily. 7. Honey, kosher salt and lemongrass. Kosher salt and lemongrass kill bacteria that cause acne and exfoliate to lighten scars. Mix equal quantities of honey and kosher salt. Stir in 5 drops lemongrass extract. Apply to skin and leave on 10 minutes. Massage gently with wet fingertips for 3 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat 3 times a week. 8. Honey, lemon and warm water. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey and the juice of 1 lemon into a glass of warm water. Drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to flush toxins from the body and prevent acne. 9. Honey and olive oil. Olive oil moisturizes and removes toxins from pores. Mix 2 tablespoons each of raw honey and olive oil. Gently massage into scars for 5 minutes, using circular motions. Soak a clean cloth in hot water, wring out excess, and place over honey mask. Leave on until cool, then use cloth to remove mask. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat twice a week. 10. Honey and tomato. Tomato contains lycopene, an antioxidant that helps heal damaged skin cells, and it removes impurities from pores and balances the skin's pH levels. In a blender, mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 ripe tomato until smooth. Apply to skin and leave on 20 minutes or until dry. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat 3 times a week. 11. Honey, oatmeal, and lemon. Oatmeal moisturizes while exfoliating to remove dead skin cells and fade away scars. Lemon lightens the skin to remove dark spots on skin. In a blender, grind 2 tablespoons of oatmeal until powdery. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and the juice of half a lemon and blend until smooth. Apply to skin, massaging gently in circular motions for 5 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Or mix 1/4 cup of oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply to the skin to exfoliate and clear acne scars. Leave on 20 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water. 12. Honey, papaya, milk, Gran flour, and cucumber. In a blender, mix 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of fresh papaya, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of Gran flour, lessen, and 1/4 of a cucumber until smooth. Apply to skin and leave on 15 minutes or until dry. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat daily for at least a week. 13. Honey and aspirin. The salicylic acid in aspirin helps heal acne, tighten and smooth skin, and fade scars. Grind 3 aspirin tablets into powder. Mix with 2 teaspoons of honey to make a paste. Apply to acne scars affected areas and leave on 30 minutes. Rinse with cool water, pat dry, and apply oil-free moisturizer. Repeat daily. 14. Honey, lemon juice, almond oil, and milk. Mix 1 tablespoon each of raw honey, fresh lemon juice, almond oil, and milk in a blender until smooth. Apply to skin and leave on 5 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat daily for 10 days to observe the difference. 15. Honey, lemon juice, and yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics that protect against the bacteria that cause acne. It also cools, soothes, and softens skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey, the juice of half a lemon, and 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt until smooth. Apply to skin and leave on 30 minutes or until dry. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Repeat 4 times a week. For best results, prepare mask fresh for each use. 16. Honey and mint leaves. It is very effective for dry skin people. Mint restores the skin's moisture. Crush 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves to make a paste. Mix 1 teaspoon of mint paste with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply moisturizer if you have extreme dry skin before applying the mint honey paste. Apply to skin and leave on 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Apply oil-free moisturizer. Repeat daily. 17. Honey and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar removes dead skin cells and other toxins from pores and restores the skin's pH level. This process exfoliates the skin to break up the scar tissue and unclog the pores of the skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of cooled green tea, and 4 teaspoons of sugar. Apply to skin, massaging gently in circular motions. Leave on 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat twice a week. 18. Honey and baking soda. Baking soda exfoliates to remove dead skin cells and fade acne scars. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Apply to wet skin, massaging gently in circular motions. Leave on 2 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat twice a week. 19. Consume raw honey for acne scars. Raw, organic honey is one of nature's superfoods. Eating at least 1 teaspoon per day gives you a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs to stay healthy inside and out. It also strengthens the immune system, enabling it to fight off the bacteria that cause acne. Tips and precautions. For best results, follow the advice below when using honey to treat acne scars. Those who are allergic to pollen and honeybees should not use honey to fade acne scars. Before starting regular honey treatments, do a patch test to find out if you are allergic to it. If these methods do not noticeably fade acne scars within 8 weeks, consult your dermatologist. To prevent acne, stay hydrated, get regular exercise, and eat a healthy diet.